Hello friends, welcome to our today's session. In this session, we will discuss a interview question, which is an online assessment that is asked in a famous company in India. This question is shared by one of my friend. Thanks to him for sharing this. Uh, Let me walk you through the questions that has been asked in this round one. Also, please notice that in this pandemic situations nowadays, companies are opting out to have a coding round instead of having a technical round as a first round for Spark particularly. And this online assessment, what my friend took is with Spark with Scala. And let me go through the questions that he has attended. I have prepared a blog for this. I will give a link in the description. You can go ahead and take this assessment on your own. I am not giving answer today here. It's because like I want you guys to try this on your own first, without seeing any answers, and will reveal the answers in a week or two. So the question is, they have given a data set. You can download the data set from the link given here, and the data set is of folder which consists of three data sets: movies, ratings, users, and we will also have a readme text file which will give information about the data set that has been given for the test. And the technology they were asking you to use is we can use Maven or SBT built for coding, and we can develop it in any platform, like any IDEs can be used to develop the jar. And I would recommend you to use the IntelliJ IDE, which will be more flexible for us to develop. Maybe like it will be also helpful while doing unit testing as well. My own preference is IntelliJ, but it is on your own preference to choose the IDE. And then they are asking us not to include any large output files inside the zipped folder that we are going to give it from our end. So if for you to set up the IntelliJ, you can follow this YouTube video that I have posted already to set up the IntelliJ with Spark with Scala, and I have made it for the SBT build. And the question goes here in such a way, like they need a appropriate proper project folder structure which has to be developed, and all the required dependencies has to be imported. And then this is the actual question that they are having. So here you can see they are asking us to create a output of CSV file with they are asking a business logic, like some logics they have asked to implement it. And the particular point to notice here, they are asking us to use RDD alone and no data sets or no data frame for completing this logic. So this will be a tricky, and for this we I'm sure like for this we need some experience. Without some experience, it is very hard to develop it without any data frame or data sets. So this will really be challenging for you. So you can go ahead and try, guys. Same like first question, there is another question as well. Here as well they are asking you to have a CSV file as output with some business logic to be applied on the three data sets. Here also they are asking you to refine from using a data sets and data frame and use RDD. And the third question, here they are asking you a different file format of Pycode. And again here it is not restricted to data sets or data frame. Here we can use anything that we need. So I hope this will be easy for you guys. And the next step is they are asking you to write a unit test case for the step 2.1 and step 2.2. And then finally, after building a jar, they are asking you to create a readme text file which will say all the Spark submit command for all the class files that you have prepared inside the jar, so that they can run on their own machine. So that is the step 4, which they are asking you to prepare a readme text file with the Spark commands, and also give them a set of instructions on how to run this, like what are the parameters we need to pass to that Spark submit, what is the input parameter and what is the output parameter. So like those informations that we need to specify. And this is the question they are asking in the online, I mean like in the assessment, online assessment, round one. I have answer shared by my friend as well. I will post it after 2 to 3 weeks in a GitHub link. I will give that in a description as well after 2 to 3 weeks. Follow that. For now, you guys try this and let me know what are the challenges that you are facing in the comment section. Hope you understood this and you will try this on your own machine. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel if you are really liking my content. Give a thumbs up signal also. Thank you, guys.